The whole major responsibility of every government is the welfare and the security of the people. And I think that's what we need to do. But security also is a responsibility of every one of us. You know, we have to work together. That's why I decided to ensure that we open up the meeting and engage all those who are relevant to this meeting.
We have decided to intensify security surveillance, patrol all the vulnerable areas, black spots. We have to mount all our surveillance, we have to mount all our people, synergy with all the security agencies. It's not only the police. We do it in conjunction with the police, military, civil defense, and other sister agencies, including JTF. We are going